Yo, what is going on YouTube? So today, trade recap of the day. Alright, let's go. So market open, we dropped almost 130 points from the open of the candle 9:30, and then we had an obvious DOL, the previous day DOL over here, which is there over here. So my bias was bearish, and then the momentum also was very bearish, which indicating today I'll be looking for sells. And then we made a 3-minute FVG over here. We pull back to this 3-minute FVG, and also this FVG is in the equilibrium of this range over here, right? So it's in the equilibrium of the range over here. And then we had some accumulation over here, because we had news on 11 o'clock, I think so, PMI news. So we had some accumulation over here, and then in this 3-minute fair value gap, there was 1-minute SMTs over here, and then a 30-second IFVG over here. So this is a 30-second IFVG candle over here. So I took a trade over here. My TP was over this, low resistant liquidity testing here. Also, there's you can leave a runner towards here, but then I just this was good enough for me. 1 to 3 risk to reward ratio, which is way much better. So I took a trade here, and I went BE over here. Yep, that was my BE point. Yeah, obviously I think so. It's a great trade, if you ask me. Yep, that's all. We still had, we still, the momentum was still, the momentum was still bearish. So this was my overall target for the selling momentum, right? And then let me, there was another trade. It's another good trade, I think so. So we did never took this low. This is, I think so, and 4-hour candle low over here. The 4-hour candle low, and then we made another over here. So there was a liquidity over here, and also over here, which is a strong liquidity if you ask me. And then what? And then we did have some open high low close, and then we came into this premium of the range, this discount of the range over here inside this 5-minute FEG. Okay, and then we did what? We did inverse the 5-minute. We did inverse actually in that 5-minute FEG. There was 3-minute FEG over here. Okay, we did inverse this 3-minute IFG, and also there was an SMT at here. So if you look here on ES took out this high over here, but then Nasdaq failed to take out this high, which makes an SMT. And then we had an IFG over here, a 3-minute bearish IFG. We break out the structure, and then we pull back to this 3-minute FEG. I took the trade over here. My stop loss was above this and targeted this 4-hour low over here. Some of them took over here, and then they went BE after took out this low. Yeah, I think so. It's still a good trade if you ask me. Yeah, I think so. That's all for the day. Thank you.